ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದಾ ಸರ್?
$20, $562, $569, $545, $493 connected. Just 15, $772, $115, $129, $393, $796, $821, $822, $879. IA 591, 562 connected 15. Yes. ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಈಗ
ಸರ್ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಲೌಟ್ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್
ಮಂಡೇ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಅವ್ನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಒಂದ್ 2 ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಈ ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ನಾವು ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸೋಮವಾರ ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ ತಗೊಂಡೋಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಮಂಗಳವಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ. ಮಂಗಳವಾರ ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲದವರೆಗೂ ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಮ್ಗೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ನೋಡಿ ಮೇನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನೀವೇನಾದ್ರು ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬರೆಯೋ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಇದೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಸೇರ್ಸ್ ಕಳಿಸಿ. ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಮೇನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಬರೋದು ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಇದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಚೀಟಿ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಯಾವ್ದು ಮೇನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕೊಡಿ. ಕೊಡಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ತಾನೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವು ಬರಿತೀವಮ್ಮ. ಅದು ನೋಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಆಫೀಸ್ ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಮಂಡೇ ಕೊಡಿ.
ಒಂದು ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಡೇಟ್ ಕೊಡಿ, ಎನಿ ಡೇಟ್ ಹಾಕಿ.
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್
ಇದು ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ಕೊಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಎನಿ ಡೇಟ್ ಕೊಡೋಲ್ಲ.
ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸಾಹೇಬ್ರು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದೇ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮಂತ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮಂತ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ ಸಾಹೇಬ್ರು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು.
ಆಯ್ತಾಯ್ತು
ಸರಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ತಂದು ಸೇರಿಸಿ. ಹೌದಾ
ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ
ಇಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಕೊಡಕ
ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್
ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳಕ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ವಲ್ರಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೊಂದು ಇವ್ರಿಗೂ ಇಬ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟ. ಅದೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ ಸೋಮವಾರ ಬರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ಗೊಂದು ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ ಇವ್ರಿಗೊಂದು ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ ಎಲ್ರಿ ಅಂತ. ಅದೊಂಚೂರು ನೋಡಪ್ಪ, ಎರಡು ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್. ನಿನ್ನೆ ಒಂದು ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ ಬುಕ್ಕು ಇಲ್ಲ, ಈಗಲೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಬಂದು ನೋಡಿದೆ, ಬುಕ್ಕು ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅದೆರಡೇ ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್. ಹೌದಾ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಏನಪ್ಪ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸಾಹೇಬ್ರು ಬರ್ಬೇಕು,
ಯಾರು ಒಬ್ಬರ ಮೇಲೆ ರಿಲೇ ಆಗ್ಲೇಬೇಕು.
ಎರಡು ಬೇರೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಆಫೀಸ್ ಫೈಲಿಂಗ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಎರಡು ಒಂದೇ ಇದ್ರು ಒಂದೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಪಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇವತ್ತು ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಇರೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಆರಾಮ ನಾನೇನಾರು ಅನ್ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೇನಪ್ಪ. ಹಾ, ನೀನು ಆಸ್ ಆನ್ 31st ಸರಿ ಅದು ಇಂಟರ್ಪ್ರಿಟೇಷನ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಅಭಿಷೇಕ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, ಕೇಳಿ. ಹಾ, ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್
ಹೋಗಿದ್ವಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಅದು 5 ನಿಮಿಷ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದೋ ಜ್ಯೂಸ್ ಹೋದ್ರೆ
ಹಾ
ಇನ್ನೇನು ಕೊಂಚಿಲ್ಲ
20 ಅಲ್ಲ. ಸಮೇತ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೂಡ ನೀವಿಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ
ಸರ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಯೂನಿಯನ್
ಈ ಕಡೆ ಇದೆ.
ಮೆಮೋಸ್ ಇವತ್ತು ಇದು ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್
ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಸಾಹೇಬ್ರ ಡೇಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಕೇಳಿ ಡೇಟ್.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
ಪೇಜ್ ವೈಸ್ ಅಡ್ಜರ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಜನರಲ್ ಅಡ್ಜರ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಪೇಜ್ ವೈಸ್ ಅಡ್ಜರ್ಮೆಂಟ್. 30ನೇ ನಂಬರ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್
ಅದರ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್
ಏನು ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಸಿಗ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ. ಅದರ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಒಂದು ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ಲೇವರ್ ಬಂತ. ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ನೆ ಬೇರೆ ಐತಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಕಂಟೆಂಪ್ಟ್ ಯಾವ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಗೊತ್ತೂ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಒಂದೇ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ 1 by 1 ಇದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಡವಣ್ಣ ಬರು ಎಷ್ಟು ವಯಸ್ಸು? 64 ಸೀನಿಯರ್.
85 ಎನ್ರೋಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗೋ ಒಂದು 24 ವರ್ಷ
60 ವರ್ಷ 60 1960 ಬಾರ್ನ ಈಗ 66 ಇಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ನು ಬೇಗನೆ ಬಾರ್ನ
ಇವರೆಲ್ಲ
1960 ಬಾರ್ನಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಮನೆಗೆ
ರಿಟೈರ್ಡ್ ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿ.
65
ಸರ್ ಪೇಜ್ ವೈಸ್ ಅಡ್ಜರ್ಮೆಂಟ್
I saw that video.
ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಹಾಗೆ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಕಡಿಮೆ ಜನ. ಶ್ರೀಧರ್, ಈಗ ಎರಡು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರು ನೆನ್ನೆ ಇತ್ತು, 13-2 ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಡ್ಜರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಈಗ ಸಾಹೇಬ್ರು ಚೇಂಬರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರಂತೆ. ಇದು 23-1 31. ನಾವಿಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ ಅಥವಾ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ? ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ ಅಂತ. ಆ ಕಡೆ ಬರ್ದಿರೋದು ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಡೇಟ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡಿ 19.
Like under the guidance of my senior itself.
ಇವ್ರೇನ್ ಬರೋದೇ ಲೇಟ್, ನಾವು ಬೇಗ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಬೇಗ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೀನ ಅದನ್ನ ಹಂಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ? ನಾನು ಅದೇ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಹಂಗೆ ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಇದು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬರ್ಬಿಡಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಸಾಹೇಬ್ರು ಈಗ್ಲೇ ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. ಅಲ್ಲ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಸರ್ ಇದು 2 ಮೆಮೋಸ್ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಮೆಮೋಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ವಿಲ್ ಪುಟ್ ಅಪ್ ಆನ್ 3:30 or 4 o'clock.
ಫೈಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ,
ಫೈಲ್ ಪ್ರಿಪ್ರೇಷನ್ ಕೂಡ ಮೆಮೋಗೆ ಫಿದಾಗ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್
ಹಂಗೆ ಎರಡು ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ annual increment.
ಒಂದೈನೇ ನನ್ನ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರ್ ನಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಪೇ ಸ್ಕೇಲು ಸರ್, ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್. ಆಯ್ತಾ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಫಾಸ್ಟ್? ಹೌದಾ, ಇವತ್ತೇ ಲೇಟಾ?
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್? ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದ್ವಿ. B group my lord 2016 my lord senior citizen.
ಏನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರು?
B group arrears not paid my lord.
16th, yes.
ಬಿ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ
matter my lord, small matter 15 days suspension period has not been treated as service. Duty period for small matter.
So first matter or pending?
Pending 23.
Yes. 9th.
ಬಿ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಮೈ ಲಾರ್ಡ್.
Huh?
ಒಂದು ರೌಂಡ್ ನಗರಲ್ಲಿ
He is entitled for the C clause. Employed already appointed. Time of plenary is honorable for expected. Still date was also given.
29th, yes. No, compulsory retirement on the departmental inquiry. After that, it is a D matter. Yes. 16th, yes.
I moved my.
That's contradictory charge memo was placed based on that the pension was
16th,
fixed.
Raja.
Yes, petitioner is retired, my lord.
16th. Third.
My lord, since same petitioner filed another case, my lord, it was rejected without notice.
Third, yes.
ಪೇ ಸ್ಕೇಲ್ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್
17th, yes.
17. Much obliged, my lord.
Lordship, this is, yesterday date was given, Your Lordship. This is a fresh matter, Your Lordship. KPC exam we are challenging, Your Lordship. Office of petition are all compliant, but despite that the board file was not sent to the board. I request to 2:30, Your Lordship, because by Monday they will release the provision list, Your Lordship.
Monday, yes.
But they will release the provision list.
No, yes, if it is, everything is right, they will be posted. We are
Lordship,
direction.
fresh matters.
Monday.
2:30, Lordship, the grave urgency, Lordship. I
Not
request.
2:30, Monday, yes. Yes, 17th. Yes, 18th, yes. Yes, 18th, yes.
My lordship, this 2025 matter, my lordship. I served the summons to the respondent also. They filed the objection. After that, initiate the disciplinary active proceedings against this petitioner, my lordship, on 16th, my lordship. Proceedings on 16th. Kindly on 2:30, my lordship.
No, 2:30, fresh matter.
Yes, summons are served to B group, my lordship.
B group. Yes, third.
My lordship, 16th is an dismissal proceedings. 16th, coming 16th is dismissal proceeding, my lordship.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಏನಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಡಿಸಿಪ್ಲಿನರಿ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಡಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. Yes.
2014 matter, madam, for hearing, madam, terminal benefits were not settled, certain terminal benefits. 2014 matter.
Yes. 9th,
One
yes.
is, madam, 2022 matter, madam, only a mandamus, madam, 22 matter.
Yes, 22.
2017 matter, my lord.
Third. ಅದು ನೈ.
My lord, 2017 matter, my lord. ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು ಅವರು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಅದು ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರು. 17 matter ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು.
Yes, D 16th, yes.
My lord, it pertains to payment of salaries and allowances on par with permanent employees and also regularization of services. Now they have issued an advertisement calling for.
Yes, 12th, yes, 12th.
The petitioner's promotion has been denied effective from 2022. It's pending for hearing since past 2 years. Kindly post it.
Yes, 12th.
My lord, petitioner worked as a waterman, my lord. He removed from the job and they are denying to pay his amount, salary amount, my lord.
Yes, 16th, yes.
The Lord, this
Much
is a
appreciated.
fresh matter, your Lord. Suspension from the service, your Lord. Maybe matter be posted on Monday.
Monday, yes, fresh
Lordship,
matter, Monday.
fresh matters, your lordship.
One matter, my lord.
Yes,
One
Lord.
matter, my lord. Promotion that is not given, my lord. Inquiry matter is left with short service, my lord.
Yes, 29th, yes.
D group 2018 matter, University of Mysore, they keep on.
Yes, 9th.
It's a 2022 pending matter. The petitioner is challenging the promotions to the senior assistant cadre, wherein they have published a new seniority list without finalizing the seniority list to the preliminary list. Well, the petitioner is seeking a direction to the respondent university to consider his objections before finalizing the seniority list. Kindly, it involves urgency. It may be
No, fresh matter or old matter?
old matter, pending.
Which year?
2022.
2022 seniority list is not issued.
It's already issued, my lord. Without considering our objections, the
Yes, 9th.
May make one.
I was a contractual employee. I have been relieved and other fresh notification is issued saying that contractual employees only will be hired. Now, your lordship, I am agreed by that order. May be posted on,
For fresh matter.
not a fresh matter, my lord. It's an old matter, 2024 matter, but I am agreed by the order, my lord.
Yes, third. Yes.
And madam.
That may make a mention. But petitioners are the lecturers in the Mysore University. This court, my lord, the counsel for the respondent undertook that their services will be continued. Now the classes is reopening, my lord, the next academic year is 22. I filed an application seeking direction. Since in spite of the, my lord, the undertaking before this honorable court, they are relieved. I filed a necessary application. There is an
Undertaking has
urgency.
been recorded by this court.
Yes, my lord.
Then contempt.
Contempt ಹಾಕ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ I also filed an application seeking suo moto contempt initiation.
No, the contempt court is there. Why so moto?
But even in spite of that order,
Yes.
there is a 22 into ಯಾವ್ದಾರು ಈ ತಿಂಗಳು
ಈ ತಿಂಗಳಿಲ್ಲ 3ನೇ ತಾರೀಕು ಫೆಬ್ರವರಿ.
Yes, kindly. For adjournment, serial number 30 months. I have to file my objections. 30.
Yes.
On 2 weeks time maybe.
Yes, at the request of counsel for the, have you informed other side?
I'll inform, you will avail, madam.
Yes, respondent number 2 leaves this matter of 2 weeks.
And madam, 56 also, I have to file necessary application. 56, madam.
56 at the request of petitioner leaves this matter after 2 weeks.
Please.
Serial number 58, my lord.
58.
For respondent, my lord, I press 2 weeks.
Yes.
My lord.
serial number 30.
26.
Yeah.
I appear for the petitioner, my lord. I am not well.
Serial number?
2 weeks time.
Serial number?
26. 2 weeks.
Yes, you are appearing for?
Appearing for the petitioners.
At the request of counsel for the petitioner leaves this matter after 2 weeks.
38, my lord, serial number 38.
Yes.
And for the petitioner, my lord, your lordship may kindly have this matter after 2 weeks.
38 at the request of petitioner leaves this matter after 2 weeks.
Serial number 80. I appear for the appellant.
18.
80. Pray for a week's time.
80 idea. Yes, 80. You are appearing for?
Appellant.
At the request of counsel for the appellant leaves this matter after 2 weeks.
Serial number 70, my lords. In these, my lords, I had to file
70.
70. I had to file statement of objection, my lords. Last week I filed a wakalat.
You are appearing for? Respondent number 3. Have you informed other side?
I'll inform, my lords. First time it's coming, my lords.
The request of counsel for respondent number 3. 2 weeks time is granted. Yes.
Page number 8. Page number 8, my lord. Page number 8, serial number 32.
32.
I appear for petitioner, my lords. Kindly have this matter next week, my lord. Senior counsel was not well today, so I have informed everybody, my lords.
You are appearing for?
Petitioner.
At the request
For
of petitioner
respondent
to
in the-
decide this matter next week.
One date may be given, not
Why? What is that urgency?
seniority
ಅಲ್ಲ ಏನ್ ಸ್ಟೇ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ.
ಮತ್ತಿನ್ಯಾಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟ್?
But next week only, man, it's a short matter.
Let us say yes next week, yes.
Move the question for with the travel.
Huh?
Monday with the travel.
Yes, third.
List number 1 for preliminary hearing, serial number 1, Vedamurthy MEV for petitioner, serial number 1, Vedamurthy.
Appear for petitioner in this case, my lords. My apologies, my lord, I am appearing to video conference. I am not.
ಕೇಳಿಸೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ.
The petitioner was appointed as Anganwadi helper on 8/2/21 minutes, and the petitioner was appointed when the government order dated 23/9/2017 was in force, my lords. Subsequently, on 3/12/2022 minutes, a new government order comes to be issued, my lords. In earlier orders 23/9/2017 minutes, the minimum tenure of service was for promotion from the cadre of Anganwadi helper to that of Anganwadi.
Wait, madam. Yes. 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 Yes, you take notice. Government advocate is directed to take notice for respondent number 1, 3, 4. Counsel for the petitioner is directed to serve 3 sets of copies on government advocate. Issue emergent notice to respondent number 2. Yes.
Serial number 2, Srinivasa Prasad KV. Serial number 2.
But there is one more petition filed which are heard on 9th, my lord. This is become infectious, this first petition.
Infectious?
Yeah.
Yes, I will dismiss.
9th, yes, 9th it was discussed. 9th it was heard, second petition was heard on 9th. The first petition become infectious because we questioned the same thing in the second petition also.
Then we will dispose of this matter. Yes. Filed in a memo. Alternate counsel for the petitioner. Withdraw ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತೀರಾ ಅಥವಾ dispose ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೇಕು?
Dispose.
Alternate counsel for the petitioner submits that. Filed in a memo seeking. ಏನು ಅದೇ ಯಾಕೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಏನು ಒಂದೇ ಪಿಟಿಷನ್
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇವ್ರದ್ದು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಯಿತು, ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇವ್ರು ಅಪೀಲ್ ಹಾಕಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ರು, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಅಪೀಲ್ ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಇವರು ರಿವಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೋದ್ರು. ನಾವು ಬಟ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅಪೀಲ್ ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ರಿವಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಗಿವ್ ಎ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ರೀಸನ್ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಿಟಿಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಆದ್ರೂ ಅವರು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಈ ಪಿಟಿಷನ್ ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇದ್ದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ
ಫೈನಲ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಈಗ.
ಫೈನಲ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ,
ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು.
ಹೌದು ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
Filed in a memo stating that in view of subsequent event, prior sought in this writ petition will not survive for consideration. Commercial Commissioner of Central Excise ನೀವು ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. You are not. Yes. Memo is taken on record.
ಜೀವನ್ ಇಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
The writ petition is disposed of. The memo is taken on record. In view of the above writ petition is disposed. Yes.
Serial number 3, Manjana MS.
Yes, Mr.
Lordship, kindly appreciate their contention is the coordination bench and also division bench dismissed the writ petitions on the delay. Lordship, kindly appreciate here. Actually, in the division bench, they have not observed regarding the disposal of the special leave petition during July 2025.
Special leave petitional party ಇದಾರಲ್ಲ, ಅವರು 2014 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ರೋಚ್ court. You have waited till 25. That is the reason. Not that you are not entitled for the delay. You are the fence sitter. Therefore, you are not entitled. Yes.
Continuously, they are approaching the court and obtain the order. And the other similar person.
Yes.
This petitioner is not approaching any court for seeking the order.
Please to read directing the
And
respondent.
similar matter, my lord, several number 17, 18 and 72.
Lordship, one submission, one more opportunity may be given to consider the representation. No,
that division bench has dismissed. How can I pass, Mr.? I have to follow the division bench order. Now we will call this matter along with that also. Serial
Serial
number?
number 17, 18 and 72.
Yes.
72 is a B group matter.
Yes, so who is appearing for that? 17? Serial number ಯಾವುದು 17 ಮತ್ತೆ?
72 is petitioner counsel is here.
Petitioner.
And serial number 17 and 18 also counsel
17 and 18.
present before this
At
court.
17, I appeal for the petitioner.
We will call it 17.
Petitioner has no application
Yes.
because the petitioners are before this court earlier. On considering the representation, they have issued with the endorsement indicating that you are required to await the decision of the Supreme Court.
We'll see 17. We'll call this matter along with the 17.
Public.
Yes.
It's not permissible for them to apply same yardstick to all.
We'll see when the matter is reached. Yes. Huh? Pass over. Yes. 17 jothe kare.
Serial number 4, Chandrasekhar.
Petitioner, while the IA for dispensation of production of certified copy of impugned order, may kindly be allowed because he tried even to get the impugned order through RTI, my lord. His application is rejected. So hence I filed this application for dispensation of.
Yes, dispensation of annexure A.
Annexure impugned order, my lord.
What is annexure A? Impugned order.
Annexure is the impugned order, my lord, which is under challenge before my lordships.
Yes, IA 1 of 2026 is filed for dispensation of production of certified copies of annexure A. For the reason stated in that accompanying affidavit, production of annexure A, certified copies of annexure A is dispensed for a period of 4 weeks, subject to condition as to produce the same within 4 weeks. Yes, what is this matter?
Lord, it's in charge arrangement. The respondent 4 and 5 have issued this impugned order at annexure A, my lord, placing 8th respondent as in charge principal of BMS College of Engineering, my lord. Contrary to AICT regulations, my lord. In addition to by ignoring my petitioner's seniority, is without considering my representations, he has been placed contrary to law, my lord.
Which is
and
that
also
impugned order?
at annexure A, my lord, page number 20.
Read annexure A.
Annexure A, my lord. Appointment of in charge principal BMS College of Engineering.
Yes.
Yeah, your application for the post of principal BMS College of Engineering and the proceedings for the selection committee dated so and so. They have considered this thing. They have not considered my objections, petitioner's objections.
Read.
In accordance with the recommendation of selection committee meeting held on board so and so date 24 on the subject, we are pleased to appoint Dr. Bhimsha, Vice Principal Admin and Professor Department of Mechanical Engineering in charge Principal BMS College of Engineering, Basmodi with effect from 1st April 2024. Bhimsha is advised to take over charge as
in charge arrangement from 2024. We don't know whether he may be removed from that. It is for a temporary
he's still
arrangement.
continuing, my lord. He's still continuing.
Temporary arrangements.
Temporary arrangement,
permanent
but
appointment.
even for temporary arrangement, my lord, he is faced moral turpitude allegations. Kindly come to annexure.
Now, what are you doing from last 1 year?
I've been trying to get this impugned order, my lord. I gave representations. I've given multiple representations, my lord. Kindly see from annexure. Annexure
Notice.
H2.
Government advocate is directed to take notice for respondent number 1 to 3. Issue emerent notice to respondent number 4 to 6. Counsel for the petitioner is directed to serve 3 sets of copies on government advocate. Yes.
Serial number 5, Agarwal Santosh.
Lordship, I appear for the petitioner, Lordship. Lord, this is a case where the petitioner is a teacher in a residential school, Morarji school, and Your Lordship had yesterday posed me with the 2 questions, Your Lordship, that I do not come under Umadevi judgment because I am a outsourced employee and I do not have any employee relationship with the. And second question is that there is already another person appointed in that position, so I cannot be there, Lordship. I am giving 3 citations, Lordship, recent judgment where I am squarely.
First, you see that facts. Where is your appointment order?
Lordship, yes, Lordship. My appointment is A1, Lordship, never A, Lordship, never Yuva Kendra. It is a government owned, which comes under Ministry of Youth and Affairs, Lordship, Sports Affairs, which is led by PC, your lordship. I made him also party, your lordship.
Yes.
We were taken through from that agency, your lordship. Despite that, year and year they are renewing our contract, and for each and every month, 11 months, they are renewing our contract and taking us to the school, your
Now,
lordship.
see, Minister of Youth Affairs, Sports and Government of India,
Yes, your lordship.
you have been appointed by that Nehru Yuva Kendra.
Yes, your lordship. It is not a fact of dispute that I am in I have come from an agency. There is
Letter
no.
of contractual appointment.
Yes, your lordship.
You have been appointed by that Yuva Kendra, then why you are asking that college? They are your employee.
But what the recent judgments? I'll say.
No, you just give the facts. After that, what has happened?
Your lordship, from in 2022, in 2020.
Contract English teacher for an year 2008 and 9 to serve that directed by this authority at the Morarji Desai Residential School. This letter of contract is subject to the acceptance of signing, returning of the office on the term of condition is also subject to his office. Duplicate copy of the letter duly signed by the principal of Morarji Desai Residential School, so and so. Yes.
I'm not disputing this. There is no question of dispute regarding
Contractual
this, your lordship.
appointment is only for the period of during that current financial year. The contract will not in under any circumstances linked to service under that government of Karnataka. Payment due under this contract will be paid by that Nehru Yuva Kendra, Mangalore, so and so. Payment is due. This contract will be subject to the Nehru Kendras receiving the certificate attendance, so and so. Yes.
Lordship,
Yes.
what the government does is they appoint, they get to outsource from these people, lordship. They pay the amount to them, they pay us, to us. But I am directly employed
Why
by.
they are saying that there is no master and relationship between you and that.
Yes, your lordship.
There is a relationship between you and that Nehru Kendra because
Yes, your
they are
lordship.
paying that.
Yes, your lordship.
You
But-
have to seek your regularization from them, not this
Yes, your lordship.
Petitioner.
Yes, your lordship.
Respondent number 2.
respondent.
That's the question posed. But I want to tell you the judgment, your lordship.
Yes,
That's
yes,
what I'm
yes.
telling you.
Yes. What do you have there?
There are three judgments, your lordship. One from this division bench of this court, your lordship, which was passed not less than a month ago, your lordship.
Where is that?
First judgment, your lordship.
Yes.
Your lordship may go through page number 14, your lordship. Page number 14, running page number 14. Para number 11, your lordship. I want to continue from the page number 14 itself. From the beginning, through the agency.
Page
outsource-
number 14.
14, your lordship.
Yes.
It is also clear from the above statement that there was a need for service of the petitioner in BIMS, and such the service of the petitioner were
Where
utilized.
you are reading from page 14.
Yes, your lordship, page 14. Though the service of the agency, it is also made clear from the above that the statement
Yes.
that there was a need for service of the petitioners in the BIMS.
Council, you are reading from the top.
Yes, the top, your lordship.
Read.
Through the outsource agency, it is also clear that the above statement that there was a need for the service of the petitioners in the BIMS and such other services of the petitioner were utilized, though the manpower agency, means the outsource agency, manpower agency, though the salary of the petitioner were paid through manpower agency, the petitioner were carrying out the work of the BIMS. When the petitioner were initially appointed for the contract basis, the respondent number 2 and 3 went for the work of BIMS. The petitioners were continued through the outsource agency. It cannot be said that there is no employee-employee relationship, your lordship. And next, I want to go to jump to para number 13, your lordship. In the ancient case, also, though there was work and need of an employee, instead of respondent 2 and 3 employing the employees regularly to avoid certain legal obligation, is resorting to the employee through the outsourcing. This is their case. What is the case in
ಆಯ್ತು
this?
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಆರ್ಡರ್
Yes,
ಏನಾಯ್ತು
sir. I'll take
ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ಸ್
your
ಗಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಮಧ್ಯ ಓದ್ಕೊಂಡು
Yes, sir. Page number 18, your lordship, para number 17. The single judge has rightly placed reliance on the decision of Bolivar, Good and so, your lordship, to reject the contention that there is no employee-employee relationship. It is to be noted that except for the payment of salary by outsourcing agency, petitioners were controlled by respondent number 2 and 3 BIMS, and petitioners were working for the instruction of the officials for respondent 2 and 3 and were reporting to the officials and the respondent number 2 and 3 with regard to the duties and responsibility. And I would like to jump to page number 21, your lordship.
employer and employer, it is to be noted that except for the ಅಲ್ರಿ ನಿಮ್ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಇದ್ದಂಗ ಇದೆಯಲ್ರಿ
My lord, it's after my lord Uma Devi judgment, the writ petition number 8442.
this,
My lord, subsequently the state government is taken a decision. I will permit me to
no,
place
first-
the judgment.
let us see, mister, whether this judgment is in his favor or against.
Against, my lord, because last paragraph, my lord, in the
No,
judgment
they
itself,
said,
it says
single
that.
judge said there is no master and servant relationship.
No,
Between
single
the
judge confirmed it
contractor
in
and
this matter,
employee.
single judge confirmed it and he gave a regularization. But the appellant judge, what they held that the regularization was not valid because they have only completed 8 years of service. Uma Devi told that 10 years of service was to be there and everything else was upheld, your lordship. Only the,
Where is that, Mr.?
I'll take the order, your
This
lordship.
judgment is against you. It says that to reject the contention, that
Contention.
there is no employer and employees relationship.
Between
It
the,
should be noted that except for the payment of the salary by outsources, the petitioner was controlled by the second respondent 2 and 3. The petitioners were working on a instructions, the office of the respondent number 2 and 3, and were reported to the official report of 2 and 3 with regarding their duties and responsibilities.
Yes, this is telling that the court has to lift the veil and see who is the actual employer here, your lordship. I am, even, your lordship, in our case, your lordship, they are only making payment to me, except everything controlled by them, your lordship. Your lordship may see that the contract is for 11 months, your lordship.
Yes.
After 11 months, even of the finishing of the college in April, your lordship, and May, June, I am sent for evaluation of the paper, your lordship.
Ultimately, court said you are not any employee
Employee
of
of the-
that is what this judgment, Mr.
No, your lordship may see the 21, page number 21, para number 19, your lordship. The Uma Devi discussed about, made it clear that regulation can be done for complete 10 years and morely sanctioned posts. It is in-
They with extract ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. What is the reason given that, Mr.?
lordship, your lordship may take, I'll take Supreme Court judgment, page number.
First above, make it clear, regulation shall be done on the completion of the 10 years in duly sanctioned 14 case and continuous petitioner was nearly 8 years, mean that there was a need of service. Above circumstances, in all contentions, it is against you, Mr.
Your lordship,
This judgment is against you, Mr.
page number 30.
That you have, there is no master and servant relationship.
Yes, there is a master and servant relationship, your lordship.
ಅಂತ ನೀವು judgment ಕೊಟ್ರಲ್ಲ ಅದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ವಿರುದ್ಧನೇ ಇದೆಯಪ್ಪ.
Your lordship, page number 35, your lordship.
ಆಯ್ತು,
This is
take
a,
notice, Mr.
and one more
your lordship,
submission.
no, your lordship.
With
I'll
with regard
convince your
to
lordship, please, your lordship.
the,
She has
in
spent
pursuant to
18
the
years,
order.
your lordship. Your lordship, I'll page number 35, your lordship. I'll just take a 30 more seconds, your lordship, please. Your lordship, may see page number 35, your lordship. Para number 10.
ಜಡ್ಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ರ ಕೊಡಿ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಓಕೆ ದಟ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್.
Your lordship, please, your lordship. Page number 10, your
Regularization
lordship.
also is taken a decision. This secretary, there is no permissible. This order is there, my lord. I will permit you to place.
Your lordship,
Yes, you file it, you file it, you will
your
have
lordship,
it next week.
your lordship,
Yes.
page number 35, your lordship.
File that, everything, yes.
Your lordship, page number 35, your lordship.
ಆಯ್ತಪ್ಪ, we will hear that final, yes.
Your lordship, I beg your lordship, for 18 years, your lordship may see that for 18 years she has spent, your lordship.
You
She
are
has
not-
put out the sheet for
You show
nearly
me under the law.
12,000 she was earning, your lordship. 12,000 they are paying, your lordship. For 2022, they are paying 8,000.
For me, under the law, you are entitled. just because-
I'll 30 seconds, your lordship, I'll convince your lordship.
Yes.
30 seconds, your lordship.
Now, the judgment which relied on is against you.
I'll convince your lordship.
Yes.
Page number 35, lordship. Having carefully considered, page number 35.
Yes.
In para number 10, your lordship. Having given the careful consideration to the submissions advanced and materials placed on record, we find that the appellant's long interrupted service period extending well beyond the years, 10 years, cannot be brushed aside by merely labeling as this initial appointments as part-time or contractual employees. The essence of the employee must be considered in light of the
Sir,
sustained
counsel, there
contribution.
are contractual part-time is different from that.
This is
outsources, Mr.
This judgment is discussing about outsourced employee. only,
ಎಲ್ಲಿ
lordship.
ತೋರ್ಸ್ರಿ, ಅದನ್ನ ತೋರ್ಸ್ರಿ.
I'll show that exact point, your lordship. Lordship may say, para number 25, lordship, page number 48,
Yes,
your lordship.
Mr. You give that
Page number
copy.
48,
Go
lordship.
through that, we'll have it.
Your lordship,
on
there is
Monday.
spelling-
Please, my lord.
There is
Waste the time. I will go through and come. I will only assist you. If there is any case, I will grant it. Monday. At the earlier. Please this matter on Monday. Yes. You go through that judgment, Mr. What is
Please,
that?
ma'am.
If there is any supporting his case, then we'll consider. Yes.
Cell number 6, Mahesh BJ.
But annexure A, my lord, is an order of but keeping me under suspension.
What of sir? Earlier. File. Yes.
Annexure A, page 11, my lord, is an order keeping me under suspension pending inquiry. Lord, I know that, my lord, though your lordship may feel that order of suspension is not a punishment. But in this case, Lord, the allegations are, Lord, it is no more remained as an allegation because the, I am,
Under which provision you have been kept under suspension?
Lord, no provisions are mentioned, Lord.
ಇದೇನಿದೆ ಹಿನ್ನೆಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಲಂ
Of
31
course, Lord, they have invoked the provisions of the
Cooperative
Cooperative Societies Act. This 31 subclause 4, my lord, is powers of the special officer because this management was superseded earlier. Now it is
ಜಯರಾಮ್ ವಿಷಯಾಧಿಕಾರಿಗೆ ಭೌತಿಕ ಸಹಕಾರದ ನಾನು ಶ್ರೀ ಕಿರಣ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಬೇಕನಹಳ್ಳಿ ಕೃಷಿ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರ ಸಂಘ ಇವರನ್ನು ಪ್ರಸ್ತಾವನೆ ತೋರಿಸಿರುವ ಆರೋಪದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಜಾರಿಗೆ ಬರುವಂತೆ which is that power which has been exercised? Who has exercised this power?
This special officer of the, my lord, the second respondent.
Then you file a dispute under 70. It is not maintainable. How can you maintain that writ against private society?
Lord, that's, of course, my lord, there is no substantial funding of the government to this society.
Yes, then you have to
However,
go.
my lord, the primary aims and object of the society is, my lord, the disbursement of cases, credit Kisan loans. But insofar as credit Kisan loan is concerned, my lord, it is Lord, it is a project of the government, my lord.
First, it is in a private society, you can't maintain writ. Even then, if there is an alternative remedy, you have to go to that 70, you file in a dispute.
For this limited extent, my lord, under Article 12, my lord, I persuade your lordship that, my lord, this is a state under Article 12, may not be under Article 310 or 311. But since this KCC loan is, my lord, the disbursement of KCC loan is the main object of the society. But the KCC loan, the disbursal of KCC loan is, my lord, basically, my lord, funded by the government.
Yes.
The dispute is pertaining to, my lord, the collection of KCC loans. Lord, I have collected KCC loans.
Yes.
I have Lord, recorded in the statement.
Yes.
Lord, this is the computer operated, my lord, by mistake.
Yes.
Instead of, Lord, showing the entire amount towards the refund disbursement of
you
KCC.
file in a dispute. I will not go to that point also. Yes, thoroughly.
Lord, may I make one submission, my lord? Since, my lord, apparently, without any, my lord, violation.
I'm not on that merit. I'm not saying that you don't have any merit on the case. I'm saying that you have any remedy under that Cooperative Society Act.
But for limited extent, my lord, until a time limit, my lord, fixed to me to approach, my lord, the registrar under section 70.
You go tomorrow.
Till then, my lord, let me have some, my lord, cushion, my lord.
Yes, thoroughly. In this writ petition, petitioner called in question, order passed by the respondent cooperative society. Petitioner has an alternative efficacious remedy under Cooperative Societies Act, reserving liberty to the petitioner to approach appropriate legal forum under Cooperative Societies Act. The above writ petition is disposed of.
Only one, basic, only one observation, because your lordship aware, if we go before the registrar, my lord, the getting, my lord, any interim relief, my lord, they would take.
If you approach that authority and filed any application for stay, the competent authority is directed to consider that same in accordance with, yes.
At the earliest, my lord.
At earliest, yes.
Bill number 7, Prakash Ahmed.
Yes, please. What is the dispensation you are talking?
But production of the certified copy of the impugned order, because these orders were posted to all the petitioners, photocopies. The same, in fact,
Lords, in this matters, I
previous
filed a
occasion-
caveat. Somehow, my lords, it's not been put up.
Yes.
In all the matters.
All the matter is, or only one matter?
One matter, my lords, all the petitioners, I filed a caveat. Lords, somehow it has not been put up.
Copy is not served to you?
No,
No, my lords.
caveat ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. Probably late ಆಗಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೇನೋ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ.
Yesterday morning only we have filed, my lords. The petition is filed yesterday
For
at
that.
12 o'clock. Before that only, yesterday morning, my lords, we have filed it.
Yes,
The
you give
petition
the
was
copy.
filed, the petition was filed at 10 o'clock. So in fact, I tried to move the matter at 2:30. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಇದು FR ನಂಬರ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ನಾನಿಲ್ಲಿ.
Yes.
My lord, the exigency is this.
Let us see what is that urgency.
Yes,
Otherwise, I will grant
exigency is that, my lord, this honorable court at annexure Q, page 143, has disposed the writ petition and directed the respondent number 1 to consider the representation. Page 152, my lord, may kindly turn to. Consider annexure H and N, wherein all the petitioners who are the temporary employees, they requested to continue their services and to pay the outstanding salary.
Read what is that? Respondent one directed to consider this representation
and appropriate orders in accordance with law within 8 weeks from the date of receipt of the copy of this order.
and dispose of. Last
Yes,
time,
and
further
pending
not to-
IA, if any, shall be disposed of. An interim application was filed seeking direction to the respondent college to
Respondents
disperse
are further directed not to.
yes, not to precipitate the matter till they consider the representation. Kindly come to next document, my lord, on 8/1/2006. So this order was passed wherein the respondent number 1 has issued this endorsement declining to entertain the representation and declining to continue the services of the petitioners.
Who are you? You have been teachers working as
So
a
now it's a group C and D employees, non-teaching staff. Lord, since 2006, under different categories, they were employed by the respondent college with the concurrence of the governing board. It's an autonomous institution. In 2006, the university has.
Now, what is the reason for rejection?
No, the reason for rejection is that for the points which are narrated from 1.1 to 6, Lord, kindly turn to. I mean, from the beginning itself, I would like to.
No, you sought for regularization.
Not regularization. It is not for regularization. They have been employed. Appointed, and with a break of 2 days, 3 days, they are reappointed. So since 2006, this is the practice. Lord,
what is your representation?
Representation, my lord, what happened in 2014 July? They were relieved as usually, and they were not given reappointment orders. However, the oral instruction, they were asked to resume their work and continue jobs. Later on, from October 2024, part orders are given. In fact, office orders were issued to 3 employees, 3 of the petitioners, 7 of the petitioners, 10, like this. And ultimately, my lord, in the fag end of, in the end of February 2025, my lord, they were directed to hand over the charges to named persons who are also the temporary employees who are borrowed from the University of Mysore. At this junction, my lord, the previous writ petition was filed. In fact, the option available to us at that time, so to seek a direction to the respondent university as well as the college. And since we were not paid the salary since the date of 1/7/2024, a specific prayer was also sought. In fact, the matter, subsequent, this honorable court by the interim order has protected the services. Lord, from the first week of March 2025. It was extended time by time, and while disposing this.
What you have sought in that representation?
Yes, I will.
You just tell it's enough.
Yes.
What is that you are really
Annexure
sought in
H. Annexure H, my lord, may kindly turn to. This is the one representation, 13/9/2024. ಮೇಲ್ಕಂಡ ವಿಷಯಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದಂತೆ ಯುವರಾಜ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನಲ್ಲಿ 9 ರಿಂದ 17 ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ 44 ಅಧ್ಯಾಪಕೇತರ ಕಾರ್ಯನಿರ್ವಹಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರು ಯುವರಾಜ ಕಾಲೇಜು ಮೈಸೂರು, ಇವರು ಮಾನ್ಯ ಕುಲಪತಿಗಳು ಮೈಸೂರು ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾನಿಲಯ ಮೈಸೂರು, ಇವರ ಅನುಮತಿ ಪಡೆದು ನಿಯಮಾನುಸಾರ ನಮಗೆ ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯದಿಂದ ಬಿಡುಗಡೆಗೊಳಿಸುವುದು ಮತ್ತು ಯಥಾಸ್ಥಿತಿಯ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಂದುವರಿಯಲು ನೇಮಕಾತಿ ಆದೇಶವನ್ನು ನೀಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದರು. ಪ್ರಸಕ್ತ ವರ್ಷ ಜುಲೈ ತಿಂಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಕರ್ತವ್ಯದಿಂದ ಬಿಡುಗಡೆಗೊಳಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಇಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಯಥಾಸ್ಥಿತಿ ನೀಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಂತೆ ನೇಮಕಾತಿ ಆದೇಶವನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ನೀಡಿರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತು ಜೂನ್ 24 ತಿಂಗಳಿನಿಂದ ವೇತನವನ್ನು ನೀಡಿರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನ
ಆಯ್ತು, ನೀವು ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
Yes, that's
Now
the
that,
and identical representation was also at annexure N 5/2/2025.
No, that is, they are not sought for regularization.
And
The temporary employment can be considered till you have to make any permanent appointment.
Yes.
My lords,
Have you made that any permanent appointment?
my lords, we have not replaced the temporary employee with the
Then
temporary
who is
employee.
working in his place now?
My lords, there are, my lords, university employee itself, my lords, who are a permanent employee of the university. We are going to replace with them, my lords. It's not my submission.
You are not going to fill up this post by
No, my
any.
lords. No, my lords. My lords, the particular employees, my lords, the petitioner before your lordships, are, my lords, the employee of the constituent college of, my lords, Mysore University. My lords, Mysore University is bound by Karnataka State Universities Act. Section 57, my lords, contemplates for, my lords, the appointment of a non-teaching staff. My lords, here in this case, what has happened, my lords, without following any due process, my lords, without even adhering to the section 57 of, my lords, the Karnataka State Universities Act, the college itself, my lords, by some, this thing, my lords, has been appointed with the various petitioners, my lords, without having any bearing, my lords, of the appointment. My lords, now in, my lords, in 2024, 3/7/2024, the said petitioner came to be relieved. My lords, that particular order has not been challenged in the earlier round of litigation also. My lords, what the court said was, my lords, to say that, my lords, the representation what they have given, kindly consider the same.
No, but representation, the way you have considered, they are seeking for regularization. They have said Uma Devi's is not covered and all. They are not saying that, they are saying that.
My lords, in the second representation, my lords, the present along with that, my lords, because, my lords, the point number 3 of the endorsement will be most important, stating that, my lords, their
This appointment is,
my lords, my submission
contrary
is,
to the law.
my submission is, my
It
lords,
is
we
a
are,
temporary appointment.
please, my lords,
Temporary employees cannot be replaced by other set of temporary employees.
please.
Now that whether you have been replaced by that any other.
No, my lords, we are not replacing by them with any temporary employees. My lords, it's my
I think
submission.
my lord is having incorrect instructions, I believe, but I can able to make it out from the existing documents which were produced even in the, kindly come to annexure P, on page 140.
My lords, the prayer in the earlier round of litigation, my lords, 150 also,
Clearly, sir.
it may be looked into.
Yes.
Page number 150, my lords,
the persons to whom we are asked to hand over charges are all temporary employees who are deputed from the university. But what happened, while granting interim order, by that time college has, imported some of the staff in order to replace, give an exit to the, my lord, this is height of ego. Between, when
No, we were not concerned.
please, I need to.
Be that you have been replaced by other set of that temporary employees.
Right now, they have not, issued on document how the present posts of the petitioners were replaced. I can probabilize from this document that.
Probabilities cannot be. Now that you show, if you are replacing by other set of temporary employee,
please,
I will ask them to.
Please.
Not otherwise, you have no right.
No, if, my lord, the law is
I
that.
will record his undertaking saying that in place of the petitioners.
Permanent employees have been made.
No, they say that they are not replacing by any other set of that temporary employees.
Please, my lords.
So they want to abolish these posts.
For them, they don't want.
It is up to the employer. I
They might have been
say.
a financial problem, therefore they said
That is not the reason assigned here. That is not the reason
It is
assigned.
for them to decide.
Yes, of course.
But you take notice.
Just to avoid,
No, that's how we'll record that. If they have appointed any temporary employee in your place, then you have.
Please, my lords.
Yes.
Please, my lords.
And one thing, my lord, pursuant to interim order granted by this honorable court, they only started to pay the salary from March till, November.
That will decide.
No, 1 second, November. Lord, in fact, I may be justified in using that word ego. Why? Because they have deducted PF amount of 2,000 or, I mean, escalated amount as the case may be, depending upon the individual salary of the petitioners.
Yes.
They have retained it in the college. They have not deposited it to the concerned department, and they have not made contribution. This is one factor. And the order is passed on 8/1/2026. But salary for the month of December has not been paid. This is one factor. And despite conceding before this honorable court in the previous round of, in the writ petition, for 4 months, my learned friend has, filed a statement of objection where he has conceded in paragraph 6. Just one factor.
All that
This
years
is
you have
amount to
worked,
leave.
all that year you have worked.
Yes.
Wherever the salary is not paid, what is the due? You give that. This petition will be pending. That will be examined. Now only in
That may
respect
have
of
to
the
be considered, my
confident-
lords.
Yes.
That may have to be considered, my lords. I'll also
That
agree with my.
if there is any due amount which you have
ಎಂಟು
worked,
ತಿಂಗಳು-
there we will direct it
ಎಂಟು
to pay.
ತಿಂಗಳದ್ದು ಹತ್ತತ್ರ ಒಂದು 48 ಲಕ್ಷ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್
That
ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ.
will decide.
Yes.
That will decide. We'll keep that.
And if that being the case on the submission that they are not at all replacing
I will record it.
the petitioners.
will
And also I request my lords to, produce the available, whatever the documents that they have made for, temporary arrangements.
Notice for 1 and 2.
My lords,
all the
all the
respondents-
three, my lords.
No, university also will appear.
I'll appear.
Yes. So and so is undertake to appear for respondent number 1 to 3. Learned counsel for the petitioner submits that petitioners are working as an temporary employees by impugn order. Petitioner has been removed. Now that respondents are appointing another set of temporary employees.
ಅದಿನ್ನು ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. We are
In submission.
yes.
Submission. Learned counsel appearing for the university respondents has submitted that. Respondents are not appointing any temporary employee in place of that petitioner. And prays 2 weeks time to file objection. Yes.
And the observation could be made so far as the unpaid salary. Right, it is the fact of humanity.
Wait. I first otherly removed and they are replacing other set of temporary employee and also submitted that the respondent is not paid the salary to that petitioner when they were working
on duty.
Yes. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ learned counsel for the respondent submits that they will not replace. In respect of that payment of the salary is concerned, he will file detailed objection.
A date may be fixed at least after 10 days. A date may be fixed.
2 weeks.
With respect to salary, my lords, I'll take instructions, my lords.
That's why I said, you will file an objection.
Please.
Yes. Leave this matter on 10th February. By the time you file it, and if it is not to on main, at least you file that in respect of salary by a chart, how many months they are worked, what are the salary you are paid, serve a copy. Then we will compare that.
If in
ಇವ್ರು ಹಾಕಿರೋ objection ಅಲ್ಲೇ 4 ತಿಂಗಳು ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಒಪ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರು. Despite that,
in case, my lords, my learned counsel, my lords, is able to give that particular dues, my lords. I'll try to ascertain, my lords. Instead
You
of filing
also give that,
objections,
what are that you serve a copy.
instead of filing objections, I will try to say, my lords, within what time we will pay it.
Yes.
Because, my lords, that I cannot.
Yes, in respect of payment of salaries concerned, submitted that he will get an
Instructions, my lords.
and make his submission.
Please.
Yes, leave this matter on 3rd February. Yes. Dispensed for a period of 4 weeks, subject to condition that same will be produced within 4 weeks.
Cell number 8, Vijay Kumar.
Obliged.
Yes.
Petitioner in this matter, Lord.
What is the dispensation?
Dispensation with regard to typed copies of annexure A, F and G, my lords.
You are not relying on that.
Not relying, my lord, but they are legible. Can be readable, my lords. Annexure A, my lords.
Sub IA 1 of 2025 is allowed. Production of typed copies of annexure A, F and G is dispensed. Yes.
Lord, the petitioner, my lord, is seeking writ of mandamus, my lords, to consider his representation. Lords, initially what has happened, my lords, he was he is an employee of the BBMP, my lords. Lord, now after bifurcation, my lords, the Greater Bangalore Authority, my lords, now, my lord, GB has become, my lord. He is an employee of BBMP. He was transferred from his earlier post, my lords, Mahadevpura to Rajarajeshwari Nagara, Annexure D, which was a subject matter of the writ petition, my lords, before this honorable court in 23341 of 2025.
D.
Annexure D. Since it was a premature transfer, my lords,
Wait. First, let me see
Page-
what is the transfer.
page 26, my lords.
26.
Yes, my lord. This was subject matter before the earlier.
No, page 26 is something else. There are two page 26. Yes. Read that.
Lords, that is dated 29/7/2025.
Data illala idike.
ಕೆಳಗಡೆ signature Amresh,
Yes,
digital signature ಕೆಳಗಡೆ date ಇದೆ.
Yes. Read what is this.
Lords, this is the premature transfer, lords, which was challenged.
ಓದಿ. Transfer ಡೆಪ್ಯುಟೇಷನ್ ಓದಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೋದು. ಕೆಲವು ಸರಿ ಡೆಪ್ಯುಟೇಷನ್ ಇದ್ರು ಲಾಯರ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು
I am an employee of the BBMP itself.
Yes.
So within the BBMP, I was given posting.
Yes, you read that.
Lords, ಮೇಲ್ಕಂಡ ವಿಷಯಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದಂತೆ ಬೃಹತ್ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಮಹಾನಗರ ಪಾಲಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ವಿಭಾಗದ ಕೆಲಸ ಕಾರ್ಯಗಳ ಹಿತದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಿಂದ ಈ ಕೆಳಕಂಡ ಆರೋಗ್ಯಾಧಿಕಾರಿ ಸಾರ್ವಜನಿಕ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಅವರುಗಳನ್ನು ಈ ಕೆಳಕಂಡಂತೆ ಅವರುಗಳ ಹೆಸರಿನ
Yes,
ಮುಂದೆ
you have been
ಸೂಚ್ಯವಾಗಿ
transferred
ವರ್ಗಾವಣೆ
from
ಮಾಡಿ ಆದೇಶಿಸಿದೆ.
Which is your
First
serial number?
Petitioner is at serial number 1.
ಲೋಕೇಶ್.
Yes,
ನೀವು
Lord.
ಮಾದೇವಪುರದಿಂದ ರಾಜರಾಜೇಶ್ವರಿ ನಗರ
Yes,
transfer
Lord.
ಮಾಡಿ.
Yes, Lord. Lord, so that was subject matter before this honorable court at page 28, Lords, annexure E, Lords, is the interim order granted by this honorable court. Lord, thereafter, Lords, the writ petition interim order was given, granted, Lords, but the private respondent had assumed the charge of the post. Lords, he was continued, Lord, without, Lord, reporting there. Lord, this writ, the honorable court, Lords, at page 35, annexure H, please to dispose of the writ petition, Lords.
Yes.
Page 37, Lords, is the order. But paragraph number 3, Lords. Paragraph 3, Lords, with liberty was reserved to the petitioner to make one more representation to the authority, Lords. In the meantime, what has happened, Lords? The BBMP is, Lord, no more in existence, Lords. The Greater Bangalore Authority has now become, Lords, in existence, Lords. Therefore, Lords, I made a representation to the Greater Bangalore Authority Chief Commissioner, Lords, Annexure J, page 39, requesting to give him posting, Lords. Lord, till today, Lord, this representation has not been considered, and I have sought for writ of mandamus to consider the representation and direct the authorities to give the posting, Lord.
That your transfer to that Rajarajeshwari Nagara is still there. That has not set aside.
That is set as dismissed, Lord. Writ petition is dismissed, Lord.
Dismissed.
Yes, Lord.
See, you have been transferred. Lokesh has been transferred to Rajarajeshwari Nagara.
Yes, Lord.
That post is still there.
No, Lord, that post has been being filled by another 5 persons, Lords. My Lords would get at page 33, Lords, 19/11/2025.
Page number?
Page 33, my Lords. All 5 persons, Lords, are given posting, Lords, without giving this, Lord, the petitioner, Lords, not being given any posting, Lord. That is the reason.
ನಿಮ್ದು annexure D ಒಳಗಡೆ
Yes, Lord.
ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಮಹದೇವಪುರದಿಂದ ರಾಜರಾಜೇಶ್ವರಿ ನಗರಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅವಾಗ ಬಿಬಿಎಂಪಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಈ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಅಥಾರಿಟಿ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ 5 ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಝೋನ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಈಗ ನನಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಪೋಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ರಾಜರಾಜೇಶ್ವರಿ ನಗರಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಝೋನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೋ
ಅದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರಿಗೆ ಯಾರಿಗೋ ಪೋಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ
ತೋರಿಸಿ ಅಂತ. ಇಫ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಕೇಸ್, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ದಮ್ ಟು
ಓನ್ಲಿ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ಡ್.
Representation is to be considered if you have any right.
Lord, without posting, I'm sitting, Lord, they say that there is no posting
No,
at all.
annexure D is the posting which is given to you. You have challenged that writ petition is disposed
Dismissed.
of. It has not been quashed. That means to say you are that employee of the Rajarajeshwari Nagara. Is it not?
No, Lord, that post is not available. That is what.
No, that's what I am asking. Show me that it is not available. Then I will direct them. You have no posting. Show me that that post is not available. Yes, you take instruction. Who is there?
GBM, Lords, now
Government advocate is directed to take notice for
respondent
respondent
number
number 1. Is there any Greater
BBMP
Bangalore?
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋ
Huh? You are there? Huh? BL Sanjeev for Greater Bangalore Authority. Yes, BL Sanjeev is directed to take notice for respondent number 2. You verify that Rajarajeshwari Nagar, if somebody is filled, then you have to give in a posting to the petitioner for consideration is representation. We'll have it next week. Yes. On 22nd, get that in survey copy.
My instructions, my lords, are now Rajarajeshwari Nagar itself is not there. The post itself is not there. Only 5 division ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ 5 post ಇದೆ. 5 post ಅನ್ನು ಬೇರೆಯವರು ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. That is what
5 post ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ
city central corporation and north, south, east and west.
ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ಬರೀ 5 ಜನ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಗಳ
5 post
ನಗರದ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದು?
ಅದಿಲ್ಲ ಈಗ. That is what my instruction.
If that is not there, then you have to show the place for teaching. Otherwise, you are only paying that salary.
ಅದೇ ಈಗ 1911-2025 we clearly
Let us
says
see, instead of directing, consider representation 4 weeks. Let them get an instruction.
ಆಗ್ಬೋದು.
This is that you are getting that
short
salary
date
without-
may be short date may fix, my lords.
No, 22nd I said. 22nd you get that instruction.
Please, my lord.
Yes. Copy ಕೊಡಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು.
ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ.
Serial number 9, Venugopal MS.
Petitioner is challenging annexure M, my lords, the endorsement issued by respondent number 4. The petitioner who is working as the Anganwadi worker, my lords, at Gangarsanhalli Anganwadi Center has sought for transfer to Marjanhalli Anganwadi Center, which is going to, which was vacant still since from 31/10/25. She has given representation earlier itself. They have not considered this honorable court directed consideration of the representation. Now the said representation is rejected on the ground that the assistant Anganwadi worker from Yelvara village has sought for promotion. Therefore, this representation cannot be considered. Lord, the regulation provides for transfer only within the village, my lords. Page 40. And the Yelvara village is as shown in the representation itself is within 3 kilometers from
No,
the.
you are working as an Anganwadi worker.
Please, my lords. At Gangarsanhalli Anganwadi Center.
Gangarsanhalli.
Yes. I have sought for transfer to Marjanhalli Anganwadi Center.
Marjanhalli.
Please. That is going to be vacant. Now
is
it
it
is
permissible?
vacant. 31/10 on.
Is it permissible for a transfer?
It is permissible. Guidelines. Regulation provides.
Is there permissible?
Regulation provides.
Where is that shown? Because
Lords,
when you are
the-
appointing as an Anganwadi worker,
37.
when you are working as an Anganwadi worker, they are saying that you should be a resident of that place.
I was a resident at that time. After
that-
marriage, my residence has been shifted to Marjanhalli.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರ್ಸು.
Page 37.
Yes.
Point number 6. ಅಂಗನವಾಡಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕರ್ತೆ ಹುದ್ದೆ ಖಾಲಿಯಾದ ಹೊಸ ಕೇಂದ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಅರ್ಹ ಮಿನಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕರ್ತೆ ಸಹಾಯಕಿಯರಿಂದ ಕಾರ್ಯಕರ್ತೆ ಹುದ್ದೆಗೆ ಪದೋನ್ನತಿ ಕೋರಿ ಅರ್ಜಿ ಸ್ವೀಕೃತವಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿನಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕರ್ತೆಗೆ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಆದ್ಯತೆ, ಸಹಾಯಕಿಯರಿಗೆ 2ನೇ ಆದ್ಯತೆ, ಸ್ಥಾನ ಪಲ್ಲಟಕ್ಕೆ 3ನೇ ಆದ್ಯತೆ ನೀಡಿ ಅವರನ್ನೇ ಆಯ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡತಕ್ಕದ್ದು. ಅಂತಹ ಯಾವುದೇ ಅರ್ಜಿಗಳು ಸ್ವೀಕೃತವಾಗಿಲ್ಲದಿದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಥಾನ ಪಲ್ಲಟ ವರ್ಗಾವಣೆ ಆದ್ಯತೆ ನೀಡುವುದು. ಸದರಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಪ್ರಕರಣ ಇಲ್ಲದಿದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಸದಾಗಿ ಆಯ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡುವ ಪ್ರಕ್ರಿಯೆಯನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾರಂಭಿಸಿ ಗರಿಷ್ಠ 3 ತಿಂಗಳೊಳಗೆ ಮುಗಿಸತಕ್ಕದ್ದು.
You will be come under third category.
Third category. Lords, the promotion your lordship will get at page 40.
Yes.
Page 40, my lords. Point number 7.
ಏನದು ಮಿನಿ ಅಂಗನವಾಡಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕರ್ತೆ?
ಮಿನಿ ಅಂಗನವಾಡಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕರ್ತೆ
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನದು?
ಅದು ಒಂದು ಅಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ
ಮಿನಿ ಅಂಗನವಾಡಿ ಅಂತ. What is that ಮಿನಿ ಅಂಗನವಾಡಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಡೆಸಿಗ್ನೇಷನ್ ರೀ ಅದು? First time I am hearing that. I know that Anganwadi worker and helper.
ಹೌದು.
Mini Anganwadi andre?
Small, I think so. I will take this.
No, what is that translation of that, mister? What is the designation there?
English translation.
Mini Anganwadi ಕಾರ್ಯಕರ್ತೆ. ಏನು ಅಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತೀರಾ?
ಅಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಂಗನವಾಡಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಅಂಗನವಾಡಿ ಸಹಾಯಕರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಹಾಯಕಿಯರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ
ಅದು ಮಿನಿ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಮಿನಿಗೆ ಏನು what is that word they are using? ಆಯ್ತು. ಎಸ್.
ಅಂಗನವಾಡಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕರ್ತೆ ಹುದ್ದೆಗಳಿಗೆ PUC ಉತ್ತೀರ್ಣ ಹೊಂದಿದ ಮಿನಿ ಅಂಗನವಾಡಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕರ್ತೆಯರಿಗೆ ಮೊದಲ ಆದ್ಯತೆ ನೀಡುವುದು. ಅಂಗನವಾಡಿ ಸಹಾಯಕಿಯರು 5 ವರ್ಷ ಕನಿಷ್ಠ ಸೇವೆ, ಉತ್ತಮ ಸೇವಾ ದಾಖಲೆ, ಹಿರಿಯ ವಯೋಮಾನ ಹೊಂದಿದ ಸಹಾಯಕಿಯರನ್ನು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಹತೆ ಹಾಗೂ ವಯಸ್ಸಿನ ಅನುಗುಣವಾಗಿ ಪದೋನ್ನತಿಗೆ ಪರಿಗಣಿಸುವುದು. ಹಾಗೂ ಅದೇ ಗ್ರಾಮ / ನಗರ ಪ್ರದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ವ್ಯಾಪ್ತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಸವಾಗಿರುವುದು.
ವಯಸ್ಸಿನ ಹಣ್ಣುಗಳ ಪದೋನ್ನತಿ ಪರಿಗಣಿಸುವುದು ಹಾಗೂ ಅದೇ ಗ್ರಾಮ ನಗರ ಪ್ರದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ವ್ಯಾಪ್ತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಸವಾಗಿರುವುದು.
Now, my lords, if it is a village, my respectful submission is he should be, he or she should be from the same village. Now, my lords, the annexure M, your lordship may kindly see. Yalavara village in the ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ.
ಇದಕ್ಕೆ PUC ಉತ್ತೀರ್ಣ ಹೊಂದಿದ ಮಿನಿ ಅಂಗನವಾಡಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕರ್ತರಿಗೆ ಮೊದಲು ಆದ್ಯತೆ.
ಅದೇ ಗ್ರಾಮ ಸ್ಲಾಶ್ ನಗರ ಪ್ರದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ವ್ಯಾಪ್ತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ
ಕಾರ್ಯಕರ್ತೆ ಹುದ್ದೆಗೆ PUC ಉತ್ತೀರ್ಣ ಹೊಂದಿದ ಮಿನಿ ಅಂಗನವಾಡಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕರ್ತೆಯರಿಗೆ ಮೊದಲು ಆದ್ಯತೆ ನೀಡುವುದು. ಅಂಗನವಾಡಿ ಸಹಾಯಕಿಯರನ್ನು ಕಾರ್ಯಕರ್ತರನ್ನು ಪದೋನ್ನತಿ ಗುರುತಿಸುವುದು. ಅಂಗನವಾಡಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕರ್ತೆ ಹುದ್ದೆಗೆ
ಹೌದು
PUC
ಉತ್ತೀರ್ಣ ಹೊಂದಿದ ಮಿನಿ ಅಂಗನವಾಡಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕರ್ತೆಯರಿಗೆ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲ. ಶಿ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್.
ಅಂಗನವಾಡಿ ಸಹಾಯಕಿಯರು
5 ವರ್ಷ ಕನಿಷ್ಠ ಸೇವೆ, ಉತ್ತಮ ಸೇವಾ ದಾಖಲೆ, ಹಿರಿಯ ವಯೋಮಾನ ಹೊಂದಿದ ಸಹಾಯಕಿಯರನ್ನು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ
ವರ್ಕರ್.
ಹೌದು, ಅಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಂಗನವಾಡಿ ಅಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್
5 years ಕನಿಷ್ಠ ಸೇವೆ,
ಹೌದು, ಉತ್ತಮ ಸೇವಾ ದಾಖಲೆ,
ಹಿರಿಯ ವಯೋಮಿತಿ ಹೊಂದಿದ ಸಹಾಯಕಿಯರನ್ನು
ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಹತೆ ಮತ್ತು ವಯಸ್ಸಿನ ಅನುಗುಣವಾಗಿ ಪದೋನ್ನತಿಗೆ ಪರಿಗಣಿಸುವುದು.
ಹಾಗೂ
ಅದೇ
ಗ್ರಾಮ ನಗರ ಪ್ರದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ವ್ಯಾಪ್ತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಸವಾಗಿರುವುದು.
ಈಗ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡೆಂಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ 8 is not resident of the same village. ಅವರನ್ನು ಪದೋನ್ನತಿಗೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, therefore ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಈಗ ಎಂಡೋರ್ಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್.
Yes, you take notice, Mr.
I will take notice.
No, my lords, since from 3110 that post is vacant. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈಗ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ 8 ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಮೋಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ then I cannot be transferred.
Yes.
3110 ಇಂದ ಆ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ವೇಕೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ. And first principle also, my lords, your lordship may kindly see regulation page
Government
35.
is directed to take notice for respondent number 1 to 5. Issue emerent notice to respondent number 6 to 7.
8
Respondents
6 to 8.
Which respondent is
8.
No, considering for
respondent number 8.
Competent authority.
Respondent number 5.
Respondent number 4, my lords. 4 and 5.
Respondent number
4 and 5. 4, my
Our
lord.
competent
4,
authority,
4,
yes.
4, my lord.
Deputy
Respondent number 4 and 5.
Alla.
Who is the competent authority to?
Child development.
Deputy director will direct, my lords, then it will be.
Respondent number 3 and 4 is directed is not to give promotion to 8th respondent. Not to give promotion to that 8th respondent. Respondents number they have anyhow given, not given. 2 to 4 are directed to keep the post of Anganwadi worker at Merajanahalli Anganwadi Marjanahalli village to be kept vacant till next date of hearing. Yes, you serve a copy.
Please, sir.
Yes.
For order serial number 10, Ajit Kalyan for petitioner.
Yes, what is this?
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ರಾಮ್ ಕೃಷ್ಣಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ who was a client, you had engaged me, he is dead. Or LRs, so they have preferred SLP and it is settled. We don't I tried to get the information, but I couldn't get it. Speak to the Supreme Court advocate and try to get their.
You have to speak them because they have directly go to the Supreme Court,
right.
not through you.
Yes, Malas. That's the
Then
reason.
he might have been their number.
Yes, Malas. I'll speak to them and try to get the number.
Because court has directed to post
Yes,
this matter
Malas.
in when?
Within 1 month, they have
No,
second
there is-
week of February. they've asked.
Second week of February. Now we are already.
Yes, Malas.
Why can't you speak in that last occasion itself?
Malas, because the council who referred me, I spoke to them. She tried to get the information, but she couldn't. Till yesterday, she called me and said a date may be fixed around 22nd. Malas.
Not 22nd. We'll have it on 20th.
Yes, Malas.
Phone ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು?
I'll
Yes.
speak to them and get.
Because after that you have asked all
Again,
of them has to be present.
before the
Who
court.
is for respondent?
My lords, that's no one represented here in.
Narayanappa is also not there.
Yes, Malas. That's the
Then-
reason. I'll speak to the Supreme Court Council and.
Yes, council and who are the councils?
Yeah,
If they are
parties who
present,
are
otherwise I will submit a report that nobody is
Yes,
present.
I'll try
Yes.
to get.
Yes.
God bless.
Cell number 11, Raghavendra N for
For
petitioner.
petitioner, my lord. Process in respect of respondent number 11 is taken, my lord.
Yes, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that needful has been done. Office to verify and proceed further. Memo for disposal filed by that advocate for R2. What is that, Mr.? What is the matter?
Matters pertaining to the petitioner challenged the impugned order dated impugned order dated 8/11/2021, my lord.
Why they have sought for disposal?
My lord, for a moment, my lord, kindly peruse to page number 95. My
Who
lord.
is appearing for R2? R2 error.
R2.
All private.
Government advocates.
ನೀವು ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಮೆಮೊ
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇವ್ರು ಫೈಲ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಮೈಸೂರು ಸಿಟಿ ಕಾರ್ಪೊರೇಷನ್
ಇವ್ರು R2 ಅಂತ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರ್ರಿ? The respondent has considered the case of the petitioner and Department of Promotion Committee in its meeting has recommended third grant of promotion of the petitioner to the post of first division assistant and accordingly the respondent has issued an official. ನಿಮಗೆ ಪ್ರಮೋಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರಂತಲ್ರಿ?
2023 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, but they are the private respondent are much junior to the petitioner, my lord.
Now what is that relief you have sought here?
Challenging impugned order dated 8/11/2021, my lord, by the annexure A, my lord.
Yes.
And also representation dated representation by the annexure Q, my lord.
Now let us see first, what is that annexure A? What is that annexure A you are challenged, Mr. ದ್ವಿತೀಯ ದರ್ಜೆ ಸಹಾಯಕ 2010 ಪರಿಷ್ಕೃತ
Shall I read, my lord?
Yes. ನಿಯಮ ಕೆಳಕಂಡ
ಮೈಸೂರು ಮಹಾನಗರ ಪಾಲಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯ ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸುತ್ತಿರುವ ದ್ವಿತೀಯ ದರ್ಜೆ ಸಹಾಯಕರಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಥಮ ದರ್ಜೆ ಸಹಾಯಕರ ಹುದ್ದೆಗೆ
ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ವಾ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ?
ನನಗೆ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
Now that what is that they have given?
From 2023, I have the second respondent issued the promotion order to the petitioner, my lord. Whereas
not retrospective.
Not retrospective, my lord, but prospectively, my lord.
Yes. Submitted that needful has been done. Office to verify and proceed further. Yes.
Number 12, Gangadhar AN.
Yes. Yes.
Now, in change of circumstance, second petitioners intended to withdraw the writ petition. To that effect, I filed a memo.
Yes.
On 9th Jan.
Counsel for the petitioner has filed in a memo.
As far as second petitioner.
Writ petition only in respect of second petitioner. What is his name?
Jairamaya.
Second petitioner Jairamaya. The above writ petition in respect of second petitioner is dismissed as second petitioner Sri Jairamaya is dismissed as withdrawn.
Withdrawn.
Yes.
After 2 weeks matter maybe.
Is this matter of 2 weeks?
Obligement.
Cell number 13, Satish K for petitioner.
Yes. Non-filing of acknowledgement having
Statement of
copy of the statement of objection. Advocate for the petitioner. Who has filed an objection?
AGA, my lord.
Copy ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ವಾ ನಿಮಗೆ?
Not sir.
Huh?
I served a copy. That apart, my lord, I think this is an appealable under section 133.
Section?
133 of Karnataka Education.
What is that they are challenging?
The order is at annexure N, my lord. Previously also, my lord, there was an appeal and my lord, it was restored to the respondent number 1. In WP number 3540.
ನೆಲೆ ಸದರಿ ನೇಮಕಾತಿಯು ಮಾಡುವ ಪೂರ್ವದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲಾಖಾ ಪೂರ್ವೋನ್ನತಿ ಪಡೆದಿರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ ಹಾಗೂ ನೇಮಕಾತಿ ಪ್ರಕ್ರಿಯೆಯನ್ನು ನಿಯಮಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಿಸಲ್ಪಟ್ಟ ಕ್ರಮದಂತೆ ಮಾಡಿರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಈ ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಶಾಶ್ವತ. Yes, you can file an appeal under section 130.
My lord, statement of objections are not served.
The copy, we'll have it next week. Verify. If it is available, you go there.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Leave this matter on 29th. Yes.
Cell number 14, Akshata Shetty K for petitioner.
For the petitioner, my lord. Needful is done regarding R5, my lord. They are only the formal party, my lord. They are KMF. Previously, couple of time, my lord has heard this matter, my lord. This is regarding the deduction of PF amount from the pension amount, my lord.
Who has deducted?
This government is deducting my PF amount of 22,686 every month, my lord. Previously, my lord, I'm a dairy employee, my lord. In the year 2014, government has passed a resolution making me entitled for the pensionary benefit, my lord. The order is in annexure C, my lord, 19, page number 19. There is a resolution passed by the government In page 22, my lord, there was a condition stating that, may I read, my lord? Page 22, para 3. ಹೀಗೆ ಸರ್ಕಾರಿ ನೌಕರರೆಂದು ಪರಿಗಣಿಸಲಾದ ನಿವೃತ್ತ ನೌಕರರಿಗೆ ಸರ್ಕಾರದಿಂದ ನಿಯಮಾನುಸಾರ ಲಭ್ಯವಾಗಬೇಕಾದ ನಿವೃತ್ತಿ ಸೌಲಭ್ಯವನ್ನು ನೀಡುವಂತೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಸದರಿ ಸೌಲಭ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ಬಿಡುಗಡೆ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಅವರು ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಸಹಕಾರಿ ಹಾಲು ಮಹಾಮಂಡಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಅದರ ಅಧೀನದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಸಹಕಾರಿ ಹಾಲು ಒಕ್ಕೂಟಗಳಿಂದ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಡೈರಿಯಿಂದ ನಿವೃತ್ತ ಸೌಲಭ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ಪಡೆದಿದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಸೂಕ್ತ ಬಡ್ಡಿ ದರದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಡ್ಡಿಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ಈ ಆದೇಶದಿಂದ ಪಡೆಯುವ ನಿವೃತ್ತ ಸೌಲಭ್ಯಗಳಿಂದ ಕಡಿತಗೊಳಿಸಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಸಹಕಾರಿ ಹಾಲು ಮಹಾಮಂಡಳಿ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಡೈರಿ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಸಹಕಾರಿ ಹಾಲು ಒಕ್ಕೂಟಗಳು ಪಾವತಿಸಲು ಆದೇಶಿಸಿದೆ ಮಿಲಾಡ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಿಲಾಡ್, Annexure D, wherein KMF has clarified that entire amount, the employer's contribution.
That means to say that Milk Cooperative Society has to pay.
We have repaid the employer's contribution to the PF amount along with the interest in order to get this pension. This was conditional order. Whenever they have made me entitled for the pensionary benefit, Milord. Annexure D states that this is the letter.
That relief you have sought.
Relief, Milord.
This is Annexure A.
And endorsement they have issued, Milord. Previously, I have filed application, writ petition considering my representation, Milord. They have issued this endorsement.
What is that endorsement says?
It says, Milord, as per the entire service rendered, they say it is a dual benefit,
Office
which is not, Milord.
To draw the EPF pension for the some continuous service. Further, government has not issued any special order for entitlement of the both pension in respect of the KMF employee who has become eligible for Karnataka state. Yes, madam. Who is that senior accounts officer? You have to answer.
Well, as mentioned, my lord, the finance department has got now their own panel council.
Who is panel council? Huh? No, you get that, madam. It is government. You should know that who is that panel advocate, because for that we cannot adjourn. Serial number yesterday.
Serial number 14, sir.
14. Who is that panel council, madam? Again, I have to see. Today I will direct. ನೀವು ನೆನ್ನೆಂದ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಅವ್ರು ಯಾರಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಯಾರು ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ I will ask that officer to be present. 2:30. Password.
Serial number 15, Anusha Devi H for petitioner, connected matter.
Lords, in 15, which is also
Awaiting service of notice to R2.
please, my lords, and
Process fee return with that office objection for first time. You have to comply.
please, my lords, but the other petition in 15, there is no office objection.
Yes.
So if my lords were to hear that matter, they have filed wakalat. Everybody has filed wakalat on the matter.
Here, who is that respondent?
My lords, I am the petitioner assistant teacher who has been appointed by way of an appointment order. If I may point out, my lords, serial number.
Wait, madam. First respondent 47 is government. Chitradurga Jilla Ambedkar Seva Sangha ನೀವು appear ಆಗ್ತೀರಾ?
Yes, please.
Connected matter ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
Yes, you connect.
Yes, you will take
That
notice.
connected and also serial number 60 in the B group, Mila.
Please,
On this matter, I have filed wakat only day before yesterday.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ರ first. See, this process is not completed.
Yes.
This B group matters will be posted in the orders. That is the problem. Therefore, I have to complete all this miscellaneous work. Let it be in the B group, then we will hear that.
No, that also I request time because one.
Grant time.
Yes.
Why I am seeing this?
Yes,
Again, it should-
I'll take notice on behalf of that.
Process will be complete.
True, Mila.
Then they will go to that B group. Then we will.
Let them furnish a copy. I'll take notice to them.
Chitradurga Jilla Ambedkar Seva, you are appearing.
Yes, Mila.
Uh,
Second respondent.
Mahatma Gandhi Residential School, who is appearing? Ad ಕೊಡ್ರಿ connected matter. Third unrepresented. Swami Vivekananda, additional respondent.
That is respondent number 3, my lords.
Mahatma Gandhi Residential School. Ilvadrili. Yes, then notice has to go to that R3, madam. Commissioner of Public Instruction and all is there. 3 notice has to go. 2 he will take notice.
Please, my lords, I'll serve a copy on it.
Yes. So and so is undertake to appear for respondent number 2. 3. Learned counsel for the petitioner. seeks 2 dates times to file and a process fee to issue notice to R3.
Please, my lords.
Yes.
My lords, one submission, a similar matter, same respond number 2, different respond number 3 and different petitioner. The matter is coming up on the 28th January. On the previous occasion that fixed a date, 28th January. If I could request my lordships to list these matters also on the 28th, they can be collectively heard is my humble request to the
No,
court.
you take notice to the third respondent. It has to be completed.
I'll
Take
do it.
hand summons.
I'll do it, my lords. I'll
In
do it.
addition, petitioner is also permitted to take out hand summons to respondent number 3.
Grateful, my lords.
Leaves this matter.
28th, my lords. That is the day when the other
I may
petition.
take a little more time to file objection because there are other matters. Therefore, at least 4 each time I may require.
My lords, one submission, I'll sum it up. ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿರೋದು ಏನು ನಾನೊಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಂಡಮಸ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. The only thing is this appointment letter was there. 2016 government has also requested the cooperative society respond number 2 to fill the vacancies. Thereafter there has been no updates. For the time being, my lords, before this honorable court, I'm here only for a mandamus seeking a direction that they tell me what is going on with my appointment order. That is my limited relief before this honorable
But we will
court.
see on 28th. If there is any further requirement, will anyhow connected matter is coming. Therefore, I am posting on that.
Another connected matter in serial number 60 Mila, the B group.
60.
It's listed today, my lords. That also may
That's also
be.
you are appearing.
Yes, I have filed Wakat only.
On serial number 60 also. Call this matter on 28th.
Please, my lords. Grateful. Grateful.
See on that day, Mr. Park.
Serial number 16, V. Keshavamurthy for petitioner, government advocate.
Yes. Awaiting service of notice to R3.
Here, in this matter, last occasion, the writ petition is filed contending that the husband and wife has compromised for giving the maintenance out of the retirement benefits. So that cannot be made, this one will put as a. They have made one more application before the family court for the execution of the compromise decree itself. There they have to make an application. They have come up.
There is he.
Can pass over. It's between the husband and wife that we have nothing to do. We have withhold only on the guys that there is 498